Welcome to Lord's Universal Junior College of Commerce and Science, recognized as Gujarati Linguistic Minority Institution and recognized by Maharashtra State Board Secondary and Higher Secondary Education, situated in Goregaon West. Our website is www.lordsuniversal.edu.in and the helpline numbers are 091 3611 9921 and 091 3698 1257. Talking about our institution, we adopt online learning platform to enhance the teaching learning process among the students. Creating interest to facilitate learning is the benchmark of our institution. College code for FYGC admission are displayed on the slide, and streams we provide are commerce, general science with bifocal subjects as computer science and electronics. Embrace online learning platform, online instructional methods, digital classroom with e-material, dedicated and well-qualified teaching staff, virtual co-curricular activities, objective workbook and glossary for each and every student. Online test series also takes place. The college has achieved 95.04% and the commerce topper is 87.53% and science topper is 79.38%. In the slide you can see below the subject toppers also with different subjects. We provide scholarship opportunities as the awards to meritorious students for easy accessible steps for their promising educational career. The scholarships are for students above 90%, 100% scholarship is given, that is no fees has to be paid. For students who have scored more than 80%, they have to pay 20% of the fees, that is 80% scholarship they can avail. For the students who have scored more than 75% have to pay 40% of fees, that is 60% scholarship is given. For the students who have scored more than 70 has to pay 75% fees, that is 25% scholarship is given. Talking about scholarship for Gujarati linguistic minority students, we have 25% for them and 15% scholarship for girl students. Online lectures and virtual classroom activities are conducted by our instructors to facilitate real learning, teaching and innovative methodologies to improve online tutorials. The following slide will show you the enrichment activities of the students, the sports day, the cultural event celebrated in our college, the guest lectures when the guests are called, and the environmental day celebrated. Education is beyond the classroom and we provide a platform to students for showcasing their talent virtually. The purpose of presenting this video is to introduce about Lord's Universal Junior College of Commerce and Science and its highlights offered in teaching learning process. Hope this video will help our aspirants to understand the admission procedure. Following link you can see on the slide is for FYGC at pre-admission form link. Please scan and save the following documents on your device as you will be required to upload them as a part of admission process. The documents are passport size photograph, scanned copy of your signature, living certificate, 10th standard mark sheet, Aadhaar card, application form part 1 and part 2 of government online. Once you have all the documents ready with you, students, you need to register to apply for the courses. If you have already registered, you will be having your username and password. Otherwise, click on register to apply the courses. Fill the sign up form with the following details, that is first name, surname, all the personal details, mobile number, tick on I agree and submit. This is how it look like, and then like on the submit button. This is example given. Screen after sign up is successful. Then you will get an email verification. In that email, there will be login ID and password and a verification code. And you will also have to apply now. Once you click on that button, this screen will be in front of you. Here you are supposed to put that verification code which you have received in your email. After clicking apply, now Pro Campus screen is available. Enter verification code received through mail. Upload photo and signature which you have already scanned in your Gazette. Then select FYGC as a course. Select the stream and subject of your choice. Here only one thing you have to keep in mind, students. If you are taken general maths in your 10th standard, then you are not allowed to opt for math subject. Otherwise, whichever subject you all prefer, you all can click on that button. Fill the personal details and click submit and continue. All the details which are there in blank with the red asterisk, it is compulsory to fill it. Once you fill it, click on submit and continue. Fill academic details and click submit and continue. Select the category and click save and continue. There is two categories, one is open category and one is Gujarati linguistic minority. Whichever is for you, you all can click save and continue. Upload the required documents and submit and continue. 10th standard mark sheet, 10th living certificate, online form, Aadhaar card copy and for online part 2 form. Whichever you have scanned in your gazette, just upload that and submit and continue. Verify details before processing. If any correction, click on submit and continue. Make a payment of 100 rupees, that is application fee, which is to be paid online. Then print application. You will get a message of payment successfully updated. Acknowledgement. After form is submitted, when college staff will confirm student's document, a SMS will be sent to the student about the same, and the admin staff will be there to guide them for the further process. Thank you.